Welcome back. Having grasped the importance of functions, let's now look at the essential Python syntax for defining and running one. There are two main parts: the definition, which tells Python what the function does, and the call, which executes the function's code. 1. Defining the function. All function definitions in Python start with the keyword def, followed by the function's name, a pair of parentheses, and finally, a colon. The code block within the function is indented. The parentheses hold the parameters, which are the inputs the function expects. Here, we define a simple function that expects a name parameter. Two, calling the function. Defining a function does not execute it. To run the code inside the function, you must call it by using its name followed by parentheses. The values you pass during the call, such as the string Alice here, are known as arguments. These arguments are mapped to the parameters defined in the function signature. 3. Functions without parameters. A function does not necessarily need input. You can define a function with empty parentheses if it performs a standalone task, such as simply displaying a fixed message or reading a configuration file. To summarize, the function definition using the def keyword sets up the logic, and the function call executes that logic. The parameters act as placeholders for the data, or arguments, that the function needs to perform its task. Our next lecture 12.03. Returning a result. See you there.